Hi guys, welcome back to another video on this channel and thanks for viewing. Today we will have a look at the Java join method, which is used to join given strings using a delimiter, and this method returns a concatenated version of these strings. So let's use an example to see exactly how this method works. We'll declare three string variables. The first one will be called str1, and we'll store the value I in it. The second one will be str2, and we'll store the value love in it. The third one will be str3, and we'll store the value programming. So now, since the method, when evaluated, returns a concatenated string, I have to declare a string variable that I will call str4, and I will directly call my method. So this is how you call the method. You write String.join, open and close the brackets, and the first parameter you will need to pass will have to be the delimiter. So I will use the / here as a delimiter, and the remaining parameters that you will pass will have to be the string that you want to join. So I will say str1, str2, and str3. So what this means here is that I want to join these three strings, and the first parameter, the / here, is called the delimiter, and it is going to be used to join the remaining strings that I am passing as parameters. So if I run, I will do a System.out.println first, and in here I will output the value stored in str4. When I run, you will see that I will get I love programming, but we'll have the / in between the substrings because we use the / as the delimiter. I can remove the / and put a white space and run. I'll get I love programming, and the white space will be used as a delimiter between my sub strings. The second way I could also do that is by directly declaring a string variable str and calling my method, say String.join, and in here specify my delimiter. And next, I will directly write the strings I want to join. So, and I will say river like this. And then the next step will be to do a System.out.println, and in here write str. So let me comment this first portion of the code. So now if I run, I will get code in river with a / in between the two substrings. Okay, so in the first example, I declared my string variables and then used them in my method as parameters. But in the second example, I didn't declare any string variable. I directly used the string values inside my method and passed them as parameters and used the / as the delimiter. I can use all the white space here as well, and you will see that I will get code in river as the result in my console. So guys, this is how you use the join method, the Java join method with a delimiter. So this method helps you, or it allows you to join strings using a delimiter that you pass as your parameter. So I hope this video was informative, and please don't hesitate to ask any question, to comment, to like this video, and also to subscribe to this channel. So let's meet in the next video. Bye.